Wagwan, my lovely Tikitas, welcome back to my channel. This is my setup today. I'll be making some stuffed cabbage. Yeah, so we have our beef, we have our onions, tomato and garlic. Over there we also have our roasted garlic powder, scotch bonnet powder, minced onion, chili powder, ground ginger, sweet Thai chili sauce, and our prego with meat, and our paprika, and our table blend, Mrs. Dash table blend. We have our cooked rice, and we have our parsley, oregano and basil leaves. So and our cabbage, of course, can't forget the main ingredients. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I de-seeded some tomato and chopped it up with some onion, garlic and thyme. Do is come in and mash. We're still gonna have a little bit of chunk for texture, and we're going to come in with our prego sauce, a little bit of water, and we're going to add a little of our sweet Thai chili or chili powder. What's in the chili powder is paprika, cumin, garlic, onion, black pepper, red pepper, and we're going to put a little ginger. We're going to come in with some roasted garlic powder, some Mrs. Dash the table blend, some basil, some oregano, some parsley. We're also gonna add some dried scotch bonnet pepper, even though the chili has red pepper, which is cayenne, but that's for who like it spicy. Okay, and you're going to give it a taste to see if you want salt or what. Based on my taste, I would add some salt. So I'm just going to come in with a little bit of salt to balance out the sweetness. The sauce is already cooked, so we're basically just warming it up. So yeah. Okay, so I went ahead and washed this cabbage and took out the core, and I'm just going to put it in this pot. I want it to be able to roll, so you're going to put some salt in the water. Okay, so we have our beef here. I'm going to come in with our roasted garlic powder, our chili powder, or Mrs. Dash, or minced onion, or scotch bonnet, or paprika, and some thyme, and a little salt. And we're going to come in with our egg. Now I didn't have the egg at the beginning of the video, but you're seeing it now. Then you're going to come in with the rice. Some recipe calls for uncooked rice. However, I'm not trying to have this going a long time. I just want the beef to cook, and yeah. And I didn't really cook the rice all the way through, so yeah. So this is the cabbage after I took it out of the boiling water. So what I did, I went ahead and put some of the sauce into the baking dish. We're going to roll with this. Is hot stuff. I need some hot stuff, baby, to see with. You want to remove this hard part, so you're going to carefully remove it. Okay, then you want to scoop up some of this. So I had no idea my battery died while I was rolling, so what I did was I rolled it like you're rolling a wrap, and do like this, and you can use a toothpick to keep it in place, but I'm just putting it down like this, face down. So yeah. Okay, going to come in with our sauce. You're just gonna So yeah.